Alright, I wanted to show you this knife again. You've all seen it before on my channel, but here it is, the Victorinox Warthog Hiker. This thing looks spectacular. It's just one of the nicer looking ones that I have. Here's the other side. And three-layer knife, and it's one of my favorites. It's really, really cool. This just looks, just the detail on it is just so good. And as you can see, this actually works real well. The tweezer looks good with it. The white of the toothpick goes right with the, with the teeth right there that are on there. So the original Warthog comes with all kinds of bombs and missiles and ammunition, machine gun stuff. This one does not. This one comes with a saw that's right here, a can opener, and of course a Phillips screwdriver right there. Not as cool as bombs and missiles, but hey, it's a pocket knife, and it's a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Can't go wrong with them. And 3 layers are easy to carry. Although this one pretty much has been at home most of the time. Been in and around the house, being part of my collection. The one that I carry most is actually my Huntsman. Either that or my Swiss Champ, which is a 7-layer knife. Anyway, cool looking knife. Absolutely. Alright, you all have a wonderful day. Peace out.